Hey guys, it's me, Charlene Mars. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how I created this black smoky eye. People tend to stay away from it. It can definitely look extremely intimidating, especially because black is the darkest color. There can be a lot of fallout. And 3, raccoon eyes. People don't want raccoon eyes or to look like they just got punched in the face. But let me tell you, the secret to doing the best smoky eye ever is blending. Blend until those arms fall off, because once they fall off, that's how you know that you achieved the best black smoky eye. So if you're hyped right now and you're ready to do that black smoky eye on your face right now, please keep watching this video. Start off, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of Urban Decay's primer potion in the shade Eden. I'm going to just go ahead and tap that in all over my eyelid. With my Sigma E59 brush, I'm going to grab the shade Bold from Tarte's Tarte's Pro palette and just tap that in all over my eye. I'm basically just setting the eyeshadow primer because we don't want no slippery mess here. Not when we're working with the color black, okay? Okay. With my Sigma E38, I'm going to apply the shade Whimsy. This is going to be my transition shade, so it's going to be right above the crease. With my Sigma E37, I'm going to apply the shade Edgy on my crease. Remember guys, the key to a great smoky eye is blending. I want those arms to hurt, alright? This is a workout. Using my Sigma E45, I'm going to begin blending in the shade Punk on my crease. Alright guys, so with my Morphe R42 brush, which is a small little concealer brush, I'm going to apply a bit of Sigma Beauty's gel liner on the eyelid. So we want to concentrate the pigment on our lashes and slowly work our way up, but not too much because then it's going to be extremely hard to blend. The good thing about doing this step is that it makes the black really, really black. Just try not to go too high up to the crease. So now I'm going to grab my Sigma E55 brush and the shade Punk and apply it over the gel liner. So for lashes, I'm going to apply Dodo Lashes in the style D308. Okay, so with my Sigma E20, I'm going to apply the shade Whimsy on my lower lash line. Using a small angled brush, I'm going to apply a bit of Sigma's gel liner on my lower waterline. For lipstick, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. I'm now going to apply a bit of Fenty Glow on the center of my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, Please show some love in the comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I love you. See you next time.